everybody, JoPaddy here. Pardon my voice, I have a summer cold. And tonight, I thought I would do a painting in amethyst colors. A YouTube friend of mine has been asking me to do this for a while now. And I feel bad that I haven't had a chance to do it. But I'm excited to get it started tonight and see how it turns out. I haven't worked with these colors in a really long time, and they're very pretty. It's nice for summer. So I thought while I mix up the paints, I would talk about this girl's channel real quick. Her name is Laura, and she does dog training videos, and she's really good at it. She has a really cute little dog named Zed. At the end of this video, I'll leave her channel cover, and you guys can go check that out. You really should, because she's really good at what she does. All right, let's get started. And I'm going to do the blow dryer painting. That seems to be one of my favorite techniques, just because it moves the paint around the way I want it to. And I can angle the blow dryer in the direction that I like it to go. Plus the painting dries really fast, and I don't always want cells, but some cells do show up because of the how thin the paints are. That's really pretty. Oh my God, of all times, I'm videotaping. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, okay.
Hey, Ma, how you doing?
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.